लेसन एसिड बेसिस एंड साल्ट्स, इस वाले लेसन के इंपॉर्टेंट कौन से क्वेश्चन है? ये ब्लूप्रिंट के क्वेश्चन हैं जो टीचर्स हैंडबुक से दिए गए थे। चलिए देखते हैं एक एक करके। पहले 3-4 सेंटेंस वाले। राइट अबाउट यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर एंड द एप्लीकेशन इन केमिकल रिएक्शन। Explain pH scale value with the respect of decrease H3O ions plus ions and increase HO minus ion. Write the examples of compounds for sodium family and chlorine family. Write the preparation chemical equation for bleaching powder. Write the uses of calcium oxychloride powder in your daily life situation. Write a preparation chemical equation for baking soda. Write the uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate powder in your daily life situation. Write the preparation chemical equation for washing soda. Write the uses of sodium carbonate powder in your daily life situation. Write the preparation chemical equation for gypsum. Write the uses of plaster of Paris in your daily life in situation. ये शॉर्ट थे। उसके बाद 5 to 6 सेंटेंस वाले देखिए। How can you show the experiment? A metal react with the base gives the rays salt and hydrogen gas. Write a list material required for chemical reaction and step procedure. Explain the term neutralization and write an activity show neutralization. General equation metal oxide plus acid give rise to salt plus water. Write the required material and step the procedure. उसके बाद और कुछ आंसर से देखिए, क्वेश्चन से देखिए यहाँ पे। Write the difference between acid properties and basis properties. The chemical equation 2NaCl SH2SO4, उसके बाद give rise to 2HCl, ये आपको कर लेना है। Write the answer of the below question. Write the name of HCl gas in above chemical equation. How the test HCl gas in above chemical equation and conclusion test. उसके बाद the dissociation of HCl in water give below the chemical equation equation है। Why hydrogen cannot exist in baryon? Why the conclusion from above the chemical equation. Explain the dissolving of base in water with a soluble example. Write the chemical equation form. Write the procedure how to dilute the acid or base with the water to get solution. Guess and write why acid must be added slowly to water and the constant stirring. You have observed warning sign figure on concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide pallet bottle. Draw the neat figure. Write the application of pH changes cause the animal, plant and soils. Write and lab activity show the remove water crystallization. उसके बाद लॉन्ग आंसर से देखिए। The aim of the experiment in which metal react with the acid. Write the necessary metal required and step procedures generalize the conclusion. To show an experiment when metallic carbonate and metallic hydrogen carbonate react with acid. Write the list material required and step procedure to generalization with the equation. You have to perform a label activity. Investigate whether the compounds containing hydrogen and acid or not. Write the material choose and step procedure to generalization or conclusion. उसके बाद ये देखिए। I took a little quantity of acid solution and base solution with the liquid dropper in watch glasses to test natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Answer the below. ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपको लिखना है। A watch glass has hydraulic acid and tested with the phenolphthalein solutions through dropper. Write that color observed. A watch glass has sulfuric acid and tested with the blue litmus paper. Write what color you observe. A watch glass has sodium hydroxide solution and tested with the methyl orange solution through dropper. Write that color you observe. उसके बाद ये watch glass has nitric acid and tested with the methyl orange through dropper. Write that color you observe. उसके बाद देखिए the range of pH scale given in the tubular form and write the answer given the question below. ये tubular form में आपको दे रखा है, ये पूरा आपको पढ़ के यहाँ पे लिखना है। Write the range of the freshly distilled water एक है, और उससे से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे देखा the pH reading on material. One material is 2 added, the pH reading of another material is 2, then from the form salt. Write the nature of salt and pH reading with the respect to natural gas. The pH reading of one material is 1 added to pH reading of another material is 13, then the form salt. Write the nature of the salt pH reading with the respect to natural value. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या है देखिए। Write the ranges of sodium hydroxide solutions. नेक्स्ट है the aim of experiment is a show of उसके बाद olfactory indicator for acid bases. Write the required material and step procedure. Take 4 beakers, label them A, B, C and D on outside surface which will be visible. Passes the electric current in 4 beakers separately with separate apparatuses set up. Have bulb observe and write answer the below given table. ये आपको आंसर ये टेबल पढ़ना है पूरा कंप्लीटली, उसके बाद आंसर. Write the bulb is glowing in beaker A as per intensity of light. Which beaker solution is strongly acid? Which beaker solution is weak base solution? Write the name which solution liberated more H3O plus ion and less OH minus ion. Write the application of pH changes causes of tooth decay and digestive system of human being. ठीक है, और इसी से रिलेटेड कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव से देखिए. BeOH2 is slightly soluble. इसके चारों में से कौन सा है? कॉपर ऑक्साइड एडेड टू डिल HCl in beaker. What colored you observe? ये लिखना है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड is dash. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called. Which salt is a mild and non-corrosive basis?